Another way you could be told to find the maximum is by formula. You can be given the formula for finding the maximum and you're told to calculate it. Calculate the maximum point in any given quadratic function. And so I'm going to give you this formula now. Let's do it. Question 2. Look at this question. If I'm told to use the formula to find the maximum point, this is what I'm going to do. I'll be given this formula, minus b over 2a f of minus b over 2a. Okay, so this is the formula for finding the maximum point. So what is b? By the way, when I'm given this quadratic function, what is b? Remember when I wrote the quadratic function? A is the coefficient of the quadratic term, which is -1. B is the coefficient of the linear term, and C is the constant term. So if you're told to use the formula to find the maximum point, then you put B here. What is B? B3. So we have 3. Remember, that's a negative here. And A is 1. 2 times -1 is -2. So I have -2 here, negative is going to positive. So that is positive 1.5. So the x coordinate of the maximum point is what I have, 1.5. And then what this is saying is substitute your x coordinate in the original function. Substitute this x coordinate in the original function. And so what you're going to do is negative, which is original function. Wherever I see x, I put 1.5 squared plus 3 times 1.5 minus 1. When you simplify this, your answer is going to be 1.25. Or you can actually put it to your calculator because this function is already in y1. So it's in y1. I'm going to clear this. Okay, so I want to ask my calculator to give me, check it out. We still have the function in y1. All right, so I'm going to second quate. All right, and I'm going to tell my calculator to give me the value of b, which is substitute 1.5 in that function. So I'll do vars function y1. In other words, I just told my calculator to bring down that function in y1 and substitute 1.5 for me in that function. So instead of doing it the long way, you have, by writing the formula and plugging in, you have shown you know what you're doing. Don't waste all your time.